Hi guys, how are you all today morning? Good morning. Today I wish to tell you about something that Lord Krishna, the Super Soul, has openly declared in the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. When a devotee loves God unconditionally, then that particular devotee becomes a favorite of the Lord and he paves his own way towards self realization, deliverance, liberation, Brahman, and ultimately going back to Godhead. This has been openly declared by Lord Krishna to Arjuna. Now, when you love God continuously, you go into what is known as Nirvikalpa Samadhi, where you keep thinking only about God. Now, when you do that, you start getting addicted to thinking about God all the time, and you don't have time for other frivolous pursuits. In that case, in the event of your death, you keep thinking about God. It has been openly declared that whatever a person thinks about, he or she either becomes that or he or she goes back to that particular object. When a devotee starts thinking about God all the time, goes into Nirvikalpa Samadhi, and hence in his last minute in this material world, he thinks about only God. This applies even to females. Then that particular devotee becomes one with God. His or her soul goes back to the eternal flame. For such a devotee, there is no other birth in this mystery ridden material world in the mind body complex. This was very important declaration made by Lord Krishna in his talk to Arjuna in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. We all should try to achieve this end where we keep thinking only about God, doing everything for God as His servants, and we go into Nirvikalpa Samadhi so that when our last minute in this material world comes, we think only about God. This will pave our way towards liberation and towards going back to Lord, the eternal flame. Kindly let me know what you think of my talk on this subject. Please pardon me for any mistake in my diction, spelling, grammar, etc. because when I'm talking to you about such a serious matter, I cannot think of such frivolous items. If you like my channel, come kindly subscribe to it and press the bell icon so that I can keep reminding you of my future videos. Till we meet in my next video, it is good day from TSV Raghavan.